Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter with ghee. Making your own at home is simple and allows you to control the ingredients for a healthier spread. You will need about 4 cups of roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons of rich ghee, and 1 teaspoon of fine salt. For a hint of sweetness, consider adding 2 tablespoons of natural honey or jaggery. This combination creates a wonderfully flavorful and creamy butter. First, if your peanuts are raw, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread 4 cups of shelled peanuts on a baking sheet and roast for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring them once or twice. They should be lightly golden and fragrant. Let them cool completely, then transfer them to a high-speed blender or food processor. Begin processing on a low speed, slowly increasing it until the peanuts transform into a thick, coarse paste. Now it is time to add the special ingredients. Once your peanuts have reached a thick, paste-like consistency, add 2 tablespoons of melted ghee directly into the food processor. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of honey or jaggery if you are using them. Continue blending the mixture for several more minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until it becomes wonderfully smooth and creamy. Once your delicious homemade peanut butter with ghee is ready, transfer it into a clean, airtight glass container. You can store this natural spread at room temperature for up to 1 month, or keep it in the refrigerator for an even longer shelf life. Remember, natural oil separation is normal with homemade nut butters, so just give it a good stir before you enjoy it on toast, in smoothies, or with fruit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.